The wind has no form until it meets the bones of bamboo. But before the frame comes the soul, captured from the green heart of the summer persimmon. Nature's alchemy requires a silent witness: time. In the darkness of the jar, the fruit's juice ferments, waiting a full circle of seasons to become the lacquer of the night. The rhythmic shick-shick of the saw. While the earth sleeps, the artisan wakes the bamboo. Each cut is a conversation. Each split, a revelation of the grain within to endure. One must first be tested. The ribs are bathed in fire and lime, emerging not just darker, but unyielding to the hunger of insects or the damp of the air. 1,000 shavings to find the perfect thinness. Under the warmth of the coal, the stubborn wood learns to stand straight, finding its balance between strength and grace. Bone meets marrow. Using the essence of the sea, golden fish maw glue, the ribs are woven together. A skeleton built to dance with the breeze. Every edge is polished until the bamboo forgets it was once a tree and begins to feel like jade. The jar is opened. A year of patience flows out, dark, deep, and immortal. It coats the mulberry paper, turning the fragility of a leaf into a shield against the rain. The pleats are gathered like the folds of a mountain range. With soot and lacquer, the craftsman paints the shadows of a moonless night onto the face of the fan. Finality comes in a shower of light, a dusting of gold leaf, like stars scattered across a dark sky, to remind us that beauty lives in the contrast. A year of growth, a year of waiting, all held in the palm of a hand, the black paper fan. You see this purple weed growing in the wild? Most people trample it, but in the East, this is called the purple revival. This is purple Perilla. It has a unique minty basil flavor that you cannot find in any store. But eating it raw? That's amateur. You have to brew it. He mixes it with licorice root and dried tangerine peel. This isn't just for flavor. In ancient medicine, this combination is used to cool the body and detox the stomach. He boils it down. Now look at the water. It turns into a dark, murky brown. It looks like swamp water. You wouldn't want to drink this. He adds rock sugar to glaze it. But here comes the chemistry, the magic trick that no one expects. He adds pure lemon juice. Watch. In seconds, the acid reacts with the anthocyanin in the leaves and turns the swamp water into glowing neon pink. No dye, no chemicals, just nature showing off. Pour it over ice, and you have a 1,000-year-old soda that tastes better than anything in a can. We carve it into memories, small, uniform, and full of promise. Bathed in the essence of lime and mountain spring, the melon finds its strength, firming for the transformation ahead. Then comes the fire, a slow dance in the cauldron, followed by a cascade of sweetness that clings like morning dew. Under the steady heat, the magic happens. The syrup thickens, turning to a fine white frost that settles upon every strip, a winter that never melts. A bite of crystal, a sip of tea brewed from the peel, the essence of the harvest, preserved in a sweet, snowy kiss. It begins in the quiet of the earth. In the dark, oil-rich heart of a seed, we take what the mountain has finished and begin our work by hand. Fire does not just consume, it remembers. Mugwort surrenders to the flame, leaving behind an ash that holds the secret of the lie, the breath that turns oil into stone. From the river's bed we gather the silver bones of the water charred by coal and crushed to a fine white dust. They bring the strength of the tide to our craft. Golden tea oil meets the clarity of the hearth, pure, ancient, and patient. They wait to be wedded to the water and the wind. The whisk is a slow dance. We stir until the liquid forgets its name, until the tea seed Mia folds in like a shadow, darkening the cream with the scent of the forest floor. The bamboo offers its emerald skin as a cradle. We pour the warmth into these hollow chambers and seal them tight. Now we leave it to the ghost of time. 40 sunsets pass, 40 dawns. The soap listens to the rain and the turning of the season, hardening in its quiet wooden shell bamboo. We crack the green bamboo shell wood to find a moon-white circle, born of ash, shaped by fire and cured by time, to wash away the day and return to the stream as clean as the world began.